Now that the wheel's off, there's something I actually like to do while I'm here, just to make sure that my install goes really, really well. You can actually see where my wheel's been sitting from the dirt and grime and everything else like that. So this is a good opportunity to clean this up. You might want to clean your caliper too. I usually use this opportunity to wipe it down. But if you notice that these fingers or the ring here on the inside can often get a little rusty. And where I am, we don't use salt on the road, so this isn't too bad, but especially if you're on like in the east coast of the US or similar, where they put down salt or chemicals, this can be really rusty. You can see even with mine, now I could force it on and it's flush now, right? So before you put your spacers on, go ahead and use like a Dremel with a wire brush or a steel brush if you have it, and just get this cleaned off. Just get the worst of it cleaned off so the metal's clean and smooth, so you don't have any problem. Go ahead and put your spacers on. Okay, y'all, and I'm not gonna go walk through the install of every single one of these sizes. Now the actual install of the hub itself really is exactly that simple, and I'm just lining it up with the bolt holes, right? I'm on OEM wheels and OEM suspension. If you have a square wheel setup, that means your wheels are the same size as in like 18, 19, 20, but they're also the same width all the way around.